Pork processing is a critical part of the meat production industry, transforming live animals into safe, high-quality food products for consumers. The process must follow strict hygiene, safety, and animal welfare standards to ensure both product quality and regulatory compliance. While the full process involves many technical steps, it can be summarized into 5 essential stages that capture the core of modern pork processing. A new day begins at the pig farm. In clean, straw-lined pens, dozens of piglets lie quietly beside their mothers, occasionally stretching or letting out soft, curious squeals. These are the most critical hours of a piglet's life. They nurse on the mother's first milk, rich in antibodies that strengthen their immune system and support healthy development. Each newborn is carefully handled by farm staff, cleaned, the umbilical cord trimmed, weighed, and marked for tracking. The mother sow is fed a special, nutrient-rich diet to ensure her milk is abundant and her strength is restored after birth. The pens are cleaned daily and disinfected regularly to maintain hygiene. As the piglets grow, they're moved to larger pens. These pens are still lined with straw, with proper lighting, ventilation, and round-the-clock monitoring via cameras. After several months of care, the pigs reach maturity and are transported to a modern processing facility where every step is part of a strict, hygienic, closed-loop system. Hygiene is top priority. Every staff member undergoes hand washing, disinfection, and changes into sanitized uniforms before entering the production area. The pigs are guided into a stunning system, usually electrical, rendering them unconscious instantly. This ensures a humane slaughter and minimizes stress, preserving the quality of the meat. After stunning, the pigs are bled and hung on steel hooks to allow the blood to drain fully. This is critical to preventing dark, discolored meat. The carcasses are then sent through a hot water rinse, flaming, and dehairing process. This ensures the skin is clean, smooth, and sanitized. Next comes evisceration, the removal of internal organs. Each tool is sterilized, and workers perform each step swiftly and precisely. The organs are carefully washed, sorted, and categorized. Edible parts like liver, lungs, and heart are sent for further inspection and processing. Non-edible parts are properly disposed of. The now empty carcass is split down the middle using automated saws, preparing it for further breakdown into commercial cuts. The neck is separated as well, a part rich in fat and muscle, often used in sausages, roasts, and local specialties. Each half is transported down a conveyor to be cut into primary sections: ham, shoulder, belly, ribs, each with its own value and culinary use. Now begins the meat trimming and deboning stage, where skilled workers use sharp knives to remove fat, bones, and connective tissue with precision. Fat from the back and belly is separated and used for lard rendering, cracklings, or food-grade fat production. Smaller bones, especially from the shoulder and belly, are carefully removed by hand, ensuring clean cuts for the next step. An automated sorting line directs the hams to different destinations, whole curing, slicing, grinding, based on size and quality. Each ham section is hung on stainless steel rails, awaiting the packaging phase. All processing steps are designed to minimize human contact and maximize food safety. The ribs are processed in a specialized machine that separates meat from bone efficiently, preserving the meat for high-demand items like barbecue ribs or marinated cuts. A final meat recovery machine scrapes off any leftover meat from bones, ensuring no usable product is wasted. Finally, we reach the packaging stage where fresh pork is prepared for delivery to homes, supermarkets, and restaurants. Cuts are vacuum sealed or placed in modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, to retain freshness. Each package is labeled with a QR code for traceability, a production date, and expiration details. The packed meat is sent to cold storage, where it's preserved at precise temperatures. From here, it's loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready to be delivered across the country or even exported internationally. From a tiny piglet lying quietly in a straw-filled pen, to a perfectly packaged cut of pork in your local grocery store, every step in this journey is guided by care, precision, and responsibility. It's not just the story of how pork is made, it's the story of trust, quality, and dedication behind every meal